some of the major populated areas around where the earthquake hit. What is the immediate plan that, as far as you know?
Regional and local organization that has have the experience and the means for the first reaction all over the country, especially in this case in the regions that have been affected. So the first answer is going to be a local one. At the same time, I can tell you that, as you certainly know, that this is one of the most strongest earthquakes in all our war history. And it's the consequences of this movement, all the information that I've gotten is showing, well, we are going to, we at the moment,
reports there are not very grim. Are there particular cities and towns that you are particularly worried about right now?
yes, well, I personally, I am from Concepcion. I mean that there are some part of the city, in San Pedro, what you call the other side of the river, that probably
damage, even very modern and recently
authorities, and also private institutions, private enterprises that have been contacting us.
Well, Mr. Ambassador, I hope it goes without saying that obviously the entire American people, our hearts and prayers go to you and your government and the people of Chile. It is comforting to hear, as he just reported, that electricity and power, at least in some areas, has been returned. Yeah. And obviously, as he pointed out, the water, that's going to be an ongoing problem. But you know, of course, that the thoughts and prayers of the American people are with you. And good luck to you and your family in Concepcion. And thanks so much for joining us tonight. We're going to take a quick break. When we come back, we'll try to get the latest information out of Hawaii, where